critically timed applications of expensive chemicals and fertilizer make accuracy an absolute must. In fact, an overlap of just 18 inches on 20 acres can waste 1 acre's worth of chemical. Foam markers are a proven way to improve accuracy in the field. Smucker foam markers give you accurate, highly visible marks for just pennies per acre. We have designed our markers to provide you with practical foam marking solutions. Smucker Manufacturing offers 2 lines of foam markers. The original Field Mark system features a stainless steel tank and a heavy-duty welded base. Field Mark is available with a 5, 10, 15, or 30-gallon tank and in 12-volt single or double compressor and truck air versions. A PVC needle valve controls mark frequency, and a 3-position switch controls left to right switching. The Field Mark carries a 100% satisfaction guarantee for 2 years from the date of purchase. The Landmark system features a polyethylene tank available in 6, 14, and 25-gallon sizes. Landmark uses 12-volt air and liquid pumps for quick, sure production of foam. The Landmark is also adjustable and carries a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Both Smucker foam marker lines use boom-mounted foam chambers, which produce and deliver high-quality foam from start to finish. Air and foam solution are pumped individually down small vinyl tubes. They join right at the foam chamber, where they are whipped into a thick foam that stands up tall for great visibility. The chambers create foam consisting of small bubbles under low pressure. This type of foam tends to last longer in all marking conditions. Smucker foam chambers use foam solution very efficiently. The markers produce foam for 10 to 20 minutes per gallon of solution, depending on mark frequency. A 5-gallon Field Mark tank will provide between 50 and 100 minutes of continuous foam. The 14-gallon Landmark, 2.5 to nearly 5 hours, and the 25 and 30-gallon units between 4 and 10 hours. Foam mark frequency is controlled by precision needle valves, allowing mark spacing between 10 and 100 feet. All units are easily switched from right to left, and because the foam is made where it is used, foam production is immediate, from side to side. The type of mark you select may vary depending on your specific conditions. All Smucker markers come standard with boots and socks, which create larger marks, especially useful in warm and windy conditions. Remove them and the marks will be approximately half the size, giving you more marks per gallon of solution. A third possibility is our optional ribbon marker kit, which reduces the size of the opening, giving you bands of foam that lay on top of standing crops. Smucker foam markers are easy to install and easy to move from one piece of equipment to another. Field Mark and Landmark, foam markers from Smucker Manufacturing that take the guesswork out of field application with long-lasting, high-quality marks. Weed control is one of the most important aspects of production agriculture today. The needs for high yields and low input costs are more obvious all the time. Smucker Manufacturing's Super Sponge Weed Wiper has been designed to eliminate taller weeds from standing crops at a very low cost per acre. Applying herbicide directly onto weeds is safer and more economical than spraying. Herbicide is applied only to the target weeds and not put in the air or on the ground. Wiping is therefore economical in heavy weed infestations or where they are thin or scattered throughout the crop. Because wiping allows selective weed control using non-selective herbicides, in some situations it is the only alternative to expensive hand weeding or spot spraying. Tall weeds can be safely and economically removed from short crops without risk of crop damage. The special crusted sponge gives the Super Sponge a very wet applicator surface. In fact, the sponge can be ultra-saturated without dripping. This feature makes it superior to rope wicks and canvas or carpet wipers. Sight glass drip valves allow precise flow adjustment to suit speed and wiping conditions. The unique gravity feed system maintains uniform flow to the sponge without overfilling like pressurized systems can. Super Sponge is offered in a number of styles and sizes, one of which is sure to meet your needs. Pull-type units are available in 10, 30, and 40-foot models. They are often pulled by an ATV or a small tractor. 3-point hitch models are 10, 15, and 20 feet in width. These units, mounted to either front or rear hydraulics, are especially helpful in row crops. Front-mount four-wheeler units are available as 5 and 15-footers and are handy for small field or pasture applications. Our 6 and 11-foot specialty crop wipers feature spring-loaded breakaway wings and can be hand-pushed or pulled and machine-pulled. Super Sponge is also available in kit form for build-it-yourself applications. We provide the sponge sections, tank, and plumbing you will need, and you provide the frame and wheels. You can design a frame to fit your own special situation. Our kits are available starting at 5 feet in width. All Super Sponge weed wipers carry a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Super Sponge weed wipers are being used today as an important part of the weed control arsenal for many farmers, including no-till farmers everywhere. Super Sponge. Economical, effective weed control.